Good morning. Today we will discuss about the Kegel exercises. These are to be started 5 days to 7 days after the robotic surgery. These will help in getting the urinary control back soon because the urinary muscles become stronger. These are very simple exercises. They can be done any time of the day. They do not need a special gym or any exercise room. They can even be done while sitting in the office. Basically, these exercises are to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. First exercise is that you have to squeeze your penis. The squeeze of the penis should be something like you are putting strain and preventing the urine to come out. When you are squeezing should be through the muscles. It should not be with your hands. And when you put the pressure on the penis, the tummy should be soft. You do this pressure for 10 counts, like when you squeeze, count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then release. Make your penis soft. Again squeeze the penis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then release. Like this you do 10 times in the morning, 10 times in the afternoon, 10 times in the evening. These are the minimum amount of times you should do it. You can do it many more times. The second exercise is, imagine that you have a finger in your ass. You don't have to put the finger actually. It is just that you are imagining that the finger is inside and then you squeeze on your finger. So you are squeezing your buttocks from all around. Make it very tight and maintain the pressure for at least 10 seconds and then release. Again do this exercise and maintain the pressure for 10 counts and release. Again, when you are doing the squeezing of the buttocks, your tummy should be soft because you have to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. The third Kegels exercise is as follows. So you should sit on the chair and your knees and feet are about 2 hand breadths apart, and then you take a pillow and put it in between, and then you squeeze your knees. The feet should be apart and your knees should be squeezed inside. When you squeeze like this, you will feel the pressure in your perineum and your tummy should be soft, and maintain this pressure for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then release. The squeeze should be so strong that the pillow does not fall down. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and release. Like this you do 10 times in the morning, 10 times in the afternoon, 10 times in the evening. Like I explained you, these are very simple exercises, and the more you do them after surgery, the more faster your recovery for urinary control will be after the robotic surgery. Thank you.